Hans.
And this is Kit.
And this is the Chocolate Break.
Chocolate
Chocolate Break.
Mine. No.
We have chocolate. I know over the last couple weeks you've been disappointed in us, but we don't.
Why?
Because, I mean, the banter and the quickness of the episodes. You know.
I don't know what you're talking about.
Let's just eat chocolate.
Okay.
All right. What you got?
Chocolate. Maybe. It's crunchy.
Crunchy. It's even
Cadbury.
spelt funny.
It's sponge toffee.
That sounds frickin' good. You know what that's like? That's gonna be like a violent crumble. I'll bet you. Crack that sumbitch open. Crunchy.
Crunchy. It's crunchy.
That looks like a very, very, very cubist bowel movement.
Crunchy.
Yep.
Crunchy. Are you sure it's not because there's little animals living in there? I'm just
Cheers.
Wowie. Would you like some sugar with your sugar? Wowazowa.
Give that to the dog. Run around 3 circles and jump off the balcony.
Wow.
I used to love that, but you know what? I don't anymore.
That's really, really sugary.
0.25.
Oh, I'm just going to go 0. I'm just going to go for it.
I have chosen something I've wanted to choose for a while, but I've always put it off for something more interesting. But this.
Oh.
You hate
I
these?
hate these.
Well, that's too bad.
God.
It's time for Rocher. If I was a true person, I would have an entire platter of them stacked up with a Christmas tree in the background.
Oh, I don't want a whole one.
You would be wearing a sweater.
I don't wear sweaters like that.
Nobody wears sweaters, babe. They wear you. What?
I don't know.
I'm talking like a holiday sweater.
This bothers me too. Why do you put it in this little thing and then like glue it to the bottom?
So when you have it on that
look
little
fancy.
platter, it doesn't like fall off. Get your frickin' no, move it away.
Get your bowl away from my bowl.
No, I'm cutting this in half, lady. We're going to bifurcate it.
Can I just give it a 0 because I know I hate it?
No, time for the love. Cheers.
It's Nutella, soggy cornflake.
Score.
0.
No.
Yes.
No.
-5 then.
No.
I can give it whatever I want.
No.
Yep. I don't like those. They're gross.
Don't say that about my new favorite thing.
It's gross.
No.
It's horrible.
No.
It leaves a bad taste in my mouth.
This is freaking rad. Oh my god. I need this and like some kind of like booze and I'm set. Wake up in a pool of my own vomit.
You're gross.
Cognac.
Who are you?
Oh, you know exactly who I am.
Oh, your breath smells like it. Breathe over there. No.
Yeah, screw Christmas. This should be like for 4th of July. This should be for Arbor Day. This should be for Bastille Day, Boxing Day. Yeah, that's a 5. The only thing I can say that I don't like about it,
Then how is it a 5 if there's something you don't like about it?
well, it's something that they can't change. You don't like it. And it should have something that, a medication that's transmitted to you that makes it so you like it.
Just lace it with like crack or something and call it good or what? I mean,
No, I believe the CIA or some borough of our fine American government has some kind of thing that you can put in food that, you know, like make a hamburger out of poop, but they put this sprinkle on it and like people normally would go like, oh, that tastes like vomit or poop. And then you taste it and it's like, oh, that reminds me of when I was born. You know, things like that. That's good. You don't know what's good. You don't know what's good.
You better be careful.
That's Rocher. Actually, I believe that there was some kind of, like, they all went on strike? Mm-hmm. Is that what the deal is?
Yeah, they went on strike, and they
Why would the elves go on strike?
came to an agreement.
Aren't they elves? Aren't they tiny little tiny people? Like the size of Lego people that make these? They're all
they
like,
still-
rolling the ball and
They still want fair pay.
Well, we can step on them. The fact that we don't step on them is fair, isn't it? Isn't it?